Hey there, Robotarticles fans! Tony's back with another awesome tutorial. Today, we're diving into the world of hosting and domain names. It's gonna be super exciting, trust me. Okay, let's get started. Step 1, brainstorming your domain name. Head over to Robotarticles.com and click on the AI Writer link. Then hit up the Domain Names Ideas Generator. Just type in what your website's about, and boom! But remember, just because it's there doesn't mean it's up for grabs. We'll check availability in a sec. Next, click on Domain Name Checker to see if your faves are free. Once you've got a winner, it's time to snag some hosting. We recommend Scala Hosting. Grab their second package for unlimited websites down the road and go for the 12-month deal for the best bang for your buck. Pop in your domain name, click Next, pay up with that sweet 10% discount for being a Robotarticles fan. Check that box, and boom, you're set. Just a heads up, you'll need to log back into Scala Hosting to access your hosting info in a sec. And hey, if you hit any snags, hit us up on live chat or our support forum. But keep those hosting details to yourself. Do not share them, okay? Now that you've got your web hosting and domain name sorted, it's time to get your website up and running. You've got two options. If you're a tech geek and want to build your site yourself, go for it. But hey, it can get tricky, so be prepared. Or here's the super easy route. Let our team do all the heavy lifting for you. Just hop over to Robotarticles.com, log in, and click on the Order a Blog link in the left menu. Right now, we're offering a whopping 50% off on theme installation, plus the best prices around. We'll set up everything for you, even your email. Just pick your favorite theme, hit that order button, and voila! Our team will reach out to you within 24 hours. Get pumped for your first website. We're here at Robotarticles.com to help you conquer the online world. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tips, and we'll catch you in the next video.